Manicure Magic. Sleek grooming kit for men, travel ready, sharp, and seriously stylish. Professional grooming, anytime. Transform your nail care routine with the Aceoce Manicure Kit, a 7-piece powerhouse that redefines convenience and style. This all-in-one set covers hand, foot, and facial care, making it a multitasker's dream. Tackle thick nails, shape brows, or exfoliate effortlessly with precision-engineered tools designed to deliver salon-quality results at home or on the go. Compact and lightweight, this kit ensures you stay groomed and polished wherever life takes you. Whether for daily use or emergency touch-ups, it's the ultimate personal care companion tailored to your busy lifestyle. Superior stainless steel quality. Built to last, each tool in the Aceoce Manicure Kit is crafted from premium stainless steel with an anti-rust coating. These tools are engineered for durability and performance, featuring secondary sharpening for effortless precision. The upgraded nail clippers are specially designed to handle thick, tough nails with ease, ensuring superior results without bending or breaking. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this kit combines high performance with longevity, providing a reliable solution for personal care. It's a must-have for those who demand quality, efficiency, and durability in their grooming essentials. Travel-friendly and stylish design. The Aceoce Manicure Kit is your go-to travel buddy. Housed in a sleek black PU leather case with striking red lining, it exudes modern sophistication. At just 4.33 by 2.76 inches and weighing only 0.3 pounds, this compact set fits perfectly in your bag, car, or desk drawer. The secure push-button closure keeps your tools safe and organized, ensuring they're always ready for action. Whether you're jet-setting or commuting, this lightweight, portable kit offers unmatched convenience and style, helping you stay sharp and presentable wherever you go. A thoughtful gift for him. Looking for a gift that's both practical and classy? The Aceoce Manicure Kit is perfect for men who value self-care and attention to detail. Its elegant design and versatile tools make it an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Whether for your dad, husband, boyfriend, or best friend, this kit delivers the perfect blend of functionality and sophistication. Show your appreciation with a gift that combines style, utility, and premium quality, a thoughtful gesture for any modern gentleman. Cost-effective and time-saving solution. Skip costly salon visits and invest in the Aceoce Manicure Kit for long-term savings and convenience. This high-quality grooming set offers everything you need for complete nail, hand, and facial care in one compact package. Its durable tools ensure lasting performance, saving you money on replacements or low-quality alternatives. Whether for everyday grooming or travel essentials, this kit guarantees value and efficiency. Stay well-groomed, save time, and keep your personal care routine stress-free with this affordable, professional-grade manicure set that's built to meet your needs.